Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have discussed about global poverty, and today we are going to discuss about causes of poverty. There are many causes about poverty in our country, in India. The historical reason is that there is a low level of development, low level of economic development in our country due to the Britishers. In our country there was British rule, and British do not take any care for our development. They want to make more and more profit from our country. Even they do not take care of our people of our country. They destroyed our smelting industry, textile industry, and the people of our country of India, they become jobless at the time of British rule. Otherwise, in our country, in South India and also in North India, Nagpur Plateau region, there were many smelters about whom you have studied in previous classes. They all destroyed due to the British policies. There was very low development of the textile industry and also the iron and steel industry, which is backbone of all industry in our country or in every country, because they provide the tools, machines for every industries, for vehicle. They are the backbone, and also they provide raw material to many industry. In Mumbai, you know about in 1854 first textile industry was established, and that was only making thread, and also with the help of Tata brothers, Jamshedji Tata, in 1912 first iron smelting industry was set up. That is why in our country poverty remained due to low level of development. Some development were done with the help of green revolution in agriculture, but all over the country green revolution does not took place. That is why some North Indian state like Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, they utilize the modern technique of development in agriculture, and also some industries set up, but they does not absorb our human power. Our population is also large. That is why everyone do not get the job and the people, they were doing odd job. As you studied in rural area, in urban area, people are unable to find out good job. That is why poverty remain in our country. Now the next topic which we are going to study, that is what are the steps which are taken by the government to remove poverty from our country India. Many policies were taken, many steps were taken to remove the poverty after independence. But till now also, as you studied, that 21.9% people of our country are today also poor. And what are the steps taken by our government about them? We are going to discuss. Many steps have been taken by the government to increase employment in rural area, because mostly people live in rural area in our country, and the industrial area is not able to absorb our human resource or human power in our country. That is why into 2005 one scheme was launched. It is known as Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005. In this 100 days employment have been told that they will provide 100-day employment, and if they will fail, then also they will provide the salary of 100 days. In this way it was launched. Another was Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana. Then third one, Rural Employment Generation Program. Every program is here, it is related to rural area. And then again Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarozgar Yojana, then again Pradhan Mantri Gram Uday Yojana. Many programs were launched to increase the employment for the people of the rural area. And in urban area there is a very less program, but in urban area most of the industries are there, most of the offices are there. That is why people get more employment in urban area, but in rural area only farming is there, only agriculture is there, but many other ways also for doing job, but creating employment is not easy task in rural area. Here Manrega, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005, it also take care of our environment. They give employment for plantation also, for cleanliness also. They provide job for making road, for cleaning road. These all things are there in Manrega, and it is successful in rural area in present time. If you all are living in rural area, then you can see that many people, many person, they work in Manrega and they are getting job in Manrega.